Our trade in Bristol-Myers Squibb stock options expired today with more than 300% profit. So in this video, we will review our trade to learn more on how we did this. As the saying goes, the more you learn, the more you earn. Because this is another real example on how we pick the best stocks to invest in to make money. So if you've been following our channel, you know that on June 24th, on this day, we started this trade and shared it on our channel in this video because we found unusual option activity on this pharmaceutical company, Bristol-Myers Squibb, and analyzed $635,000 worth of stock options and concluded this wealthy investor was buying. And so if you missed out on this video, this is the title here. You can search for it on our channel, or we'll put a link at the top here. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, how much profit did we make exactly? Well, let's take a deeper look at the trade. Now, the stock itself, you can see on June 24th, it was trading at $42. And ever since then, it has gone up about 17% because it is trading at $49 now. But because we used options, we had a lot more leverage to make a lot more. And so you can see here, these September 20 options that expire today at the 46 strike calls, deep in the money now since we are trading at $49 now. And you can see the profit of $264 per trade. And we originally paid $79 for each of these call options. And so if we calculate the profit percentage, 264 profit divided by the cost of 79, because this graph has already taken into account the cost of the trade, and that is why if the stock had gone down, it would have been a negative 79, a 100% loss. But since the stock did not go down, it went up, you can see that what we made was actually 334% profit on this trade. So this is another real example proving how we keep winning with our data analysis. So if you're sick and tired of losing consistently, witnessing losses after losses, or perhaps you're not losing, but you're not making as much as you would like, and you want to know what's the secret to becoming much more profitable, then go to our website to learn more. So we'll put a link to our website at the top here where you can gain access to more of these types of trades made by wealthy investors with a higher chance of profit, because not all of them will be profitable. Diversification is still very important, because you can see that if we had lost 3 of our trades, where each one is a max loss of 100%, we would still be up 34% gain with just this one winning trade. And that is why diversification is so important in becoming profitable in the long run. Now, how do we know to buy these 46 strike call options on June 24th? Well, if we take a look at the historical data back on June 24th, the trading day when Bristol-Myers Squibb was trading at $42.23, you can see that these September 20 options that we had discussed in the video, 46 strike calls, there was a total of 11,000 contracts being traded at the volume on that day. And at least 8,000 of them were very unusual. And that is why we followed this trade and used position sizing to manage our risk. And those call options were very cheap back then because they were out of the money call options, because they were 46 strike calls, much higher than where the stock was trading on June 24th. And because they became in the money, you can see for September 20 that expired today, these 46 strike calls are now worth $325 to $350. And they were initially worth only $79 when we started this trade. And that is why this trade became so profitable, because we were able to sell these options back to the market at this price today, right before they expired at the end of the day. And so if you want to learn more on how we did this, make sure to watch that video when we initially entered this trade. We'll put a link over here. And if you're interested in more of these types of trades with a higher chance of profit, we'll put a link to our website up here where you can gain access to the trades of wealthy investors and our option strategies to reduce risk while increasing profits. As usual, please smash the like button, take care, and have a wonderful weekend.